Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making waakye, a popular Ghanaian dish. It's also the same as rice and beans with some color, and we're going to show you how to mix the other fixings that go with it. So the first thing you're going to need is black-eyed peas. You get this from the market. And also you're going to need 2 cups of rice. You're going to need 1.5 teaspoons of salt, as well as your waakye leaves. This gives your waakye the color that it needs, the deep purple color. And so you can get this from the African market. You also need 10 cups of water. So you go ahead and wash your beans, add the water and put it on the fire and let it cook, let it boil. After it boils, you're going to take a handful, a generous amount of your waakye leaves, wash it and add it to it and let it boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to see that the color is going to come out and you're going to take your leaves out. So right now, I'm about to take the leaves out and you're ready to add your rice. Before you add your rice, make sure that your beans is soft. Not overly soft, but soft enough. Then add your rice. Wash your rice, add it to it, and add your salt. And stir it, cover it, and turn the heat down to low and let it cook. I'm adding the salt right now. Mix it, cover it, and let it cook. So yes, your food is now cooked. Your waakye is ready. I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So we're going to need 1.5 cups of tomato paste. You're also going to need fresh tomatoes. We're using 5. Ginger, garlic, and onions. We're going to blend those together. And also we're going to need olive oil, 1 cup. We're going to need our seasoning salt, curry powder, 1 teaspoon. Whatever meat you want to use, that's fine. Old Bay and chicken bouillon. We're going to use 1 teaspoon each. Also, don't forget your pepper. We're going to need whatever pepper you want to. You can add it. So this is our 1 cup of oil going in. And then we're going to add our blended ginger, onion, and garlic and pepper. With the oil and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to add, after it's cooked for 5 minutes, we're going to add our tomato, fresh tomatoes, and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After it has cooked, we will add our tomato paste and let that also cook for 5 minutes. When you add your tomato paste, turn down your heat. And tomato paste is going in, 1.5 cups. Let that cook for 5 minutes. Also, we're going to add our seasoning. This is 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. This is your chicken bouillon. This is the taste. Old Bay, we're going to add 1 teaspoon. I love Old Bay. I add Old Bay to everything. And then we're going to add our salt. Mix it together and let it cook. You know that your tomato is cooked when the oil settles on top. You know that it's good, your tomato is good to go. So you're going to see that the oil settles on top after it's cooked. So as you can see, you see how the oil settles on top? Yeah, that's how you know. So now your stew is cooking nicely. You're going to add your meat. You could use whatever meat you want to and stir it together and let it cook. So our stew has cooked beautifully. It is done. You could turn the heat off. I'm going to show you how to do other things that are going to go with your waakye. It's your boiled eggs. You're also going to boil some spaghetti that's going to go with your waakye. So the water is boiling. We're going to put our spaghetti in and cook it. The other thing that's going to go with your waakye is gari. So this is, you could get this from the African market. You take like a cup and you're going to wet it with water. So just add a little bit of water, like maybe a quarter cup of water, and mix it together. So after you mix it, you're going to add some of your tomato stew to it and mix it up, and that's going to go over your waakye. So mix it, add some of your tomato stew to it. So there you have it. Everything is ready. We're dishing our food. So this is your waakye rice and beans. You're going to add your tomato sauce to it. So go ahead and add your tomato sauce, and then we're going to add the rest of our fixings to it. Our first fixing that is going to go next is our salad. You can eat your waakye without all these things, but all these fixings makes it taste even better. So we have our salad. We're going to add the egg. If you don't want an egg, that's fine. We're also going to add spaghetti to it. We call it talia. And then of course your gari that you mixed with your tomato sauce, you're going to sprinkle a little bit over it. And after you do that, we're going to add shitto to it. You could get shitto from the African market. It's a sauce that we eat, spicy sauce that we eat with everything. So there you have it, your waakye with your fixings, salad, spaghetti, and your gari with your egg and your shitto. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try it. Thank you for stopping by. Bon appetit.